Ditch those sky-high phone bills because today, we're unlocking massive savings by switching to Mint Mobile. First, head over to mintmobile.com on your computer or phone. The very first thing you'll want to do is check if your phone is compatible with Mint Mobile's network. Click the Check Compatibility button and enter your phone's IMEI number. Next, Mint Mobile will confirm whether your phone is good to go. Compatibility sorted. It's time to choose a plan. Mint offers various data options like 5 GB, 15 GB, 20 GB, and unlimited. Pick the plan that best fits your usage. Once you've settled on a plan, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. Now you'll need to decide between getting a new number or porting over your existing one. To keep your current number, you'll need to provide information from your current carrier, including your account number and PIN. Enter all the required information, fill out your payment details, and complete your order. Once you receive your SIM card, download the Mint Mobile app and follow the activation instructions. This involves inserting the new SIM card into your phone. And that's it. You've successfully switched to Mint Mobile. Enjoy the savings and the freedom of affordable wireless service.